Hello everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. This is a short video today. I just wanted to share with you these three really beautiful cards that I created. There is this one. This is all using the brand new Snowflake product, the stamp sets and the dies. They're really gorgeous, and I have a really fun winter color combo. We have the little snowflake trinkets, and there is one product that is already sold out from these items. The white velvet paper is already gone, which I can't believe it. Then there's this one right here. Has this fun embossing technique, and then the very last one is this one right here, and it has the snowflakes in the middle. I always add rhinestones to the middle of my snowflakes. I cannot help it. So there are three cards here, and this is my free gift for those who purchase. Anybody who purchases any size order from me this month is going to get this free printable tutorial and exclusive video putting these together. So this is how my tutorial looks. It has all of the measurements. It has photos. Don't mind my printer that's running out of ink when I printed this. So it has all three cards, and then it has a supply list. And then when you get this and you're looking at it on your device or your computer, your phone, your iPad, all of these links are clickable so that you can see what I've used. And then it has really great photos. So this month you can use the host code. You cannot use the host code. Doesn't matter. Any size order that you do from me, I will put the new host code up here. If you're used to using a host code and you just want to indicate that you want the free PDF and exclusive videos, that host code is right here. And then any size Stampin' Up! Order, you will get the free PDF tutorial, and then it has an exclusive video on how to create these three cards. Thank you so much for all your support, watching my videos, hanging out with me on Facebook, heading over to my website. I appreciate your support so much, and I look forward to sending you the link for the PDF and the videos right away, right when you purchase from me. It's already all done, and I'll just send that right to you. So thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. I will be back all this week to hang out with you guys. I took a mini vacation last week, but I am back, and I have lots of videos for you this week. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you later.